Well, not everyone is an expert with tools and the ins and outs of electrical systems, plumbing. In today's Sanity Check, Paige introduces us to a new app that can empower you to accomplish home projects with ease. Take a look.
Are you ready for your sanity check? Well, today we're going to be talking about exercising your brain. I'm going to show you this very cool 3D interactive app that helps you do pretty much any kind of household project imaginable. This is Nate Henderson. Hi, Nate.
How are you, Paige? Good morning.
He's the founder and CEO of BILT. It's great to see you, and I want to mention, you and your family have been quarantined in your house for 8 days. You had a kid that went to college, so you've been stuck inside experiencing a lot of cabin fever. Why is it so important to kind of learn something new? How is that helpful for your overall psychological well-being?
Yeah, great question, Paige. After sitting around, we all get that cabin fever, as you said. The only way to break out of it is you got to be productive. And one of the best things to do at home in this social distancing time that we're in is tackle some projects. Give your kids and the rest of your family the opportunity to learn something, learn a skill, and make something that's productive, like a DIY project. Hang a ceiling fan, work on other projects like a barbecue grill. It's amazing.
You know, back in the day, generations ago, they built their own homes. They built their own furniture. We've gotten so far away with it, but you've been able to kind of give us some tools and some tips through modern day 3D interactive animation. Tell me how BILT works.
Okay, so BILT is a free app to the consumer or the professional, and we have on it the official 3D interactive guided instructions to show you how to install, set up, or assemble your product. So in this example right here, we'll just take my iPhone, and I just go into BILT, select the product that I'm looking for, but now this is fully guiding me through the experience, but I can interact with it. I can turn it around and zoom. If I want to know what a part is, I just touch it, and it gently walks, whether it's a child, teenager, or a professional, it walks you through the entire process so that you can get the assembly done very quickly, but successfully.
That's such a smart idea. You know, I think about, my son has gone to college not too long ago, and I think about all the skills I wish I would have taught him before he flew the nest. Now we've got our kids home. Some of them are younger kids. They need these skill sets. It's important for them to have some self-sufficiency.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, it's all about becoming, right? It's gaining skills, gaining that confidence, and this is actually a great opportunity for moms and dads to take advantage of that. Give them a task that's here at home that maybe they're a little bit fearful of, and give them a tool that allows them to do it successfully and watch and see the results. They will be amazed.
And this covers a ton of different topics, like tiling a bathroom, painting a wall, and also includes a toolbox that even defines what these tools are. You've got your kids at work right now. Currently in the process. We got one of them that's building a grill, for example. But these are experiences that they can have and they can take with them into their adult lives.
Exactly. Beyond being just a great bonding experience right now, they're going to walk out of this with the confidence of saying, hey, look, I can tackle some of these things on my own. I am capable. I can learn how to do hard things or new things in my own home. So as you said, Connor, our oldest teenager, he's going through a barbecue grill. Kelly right now is assembling a kitchen cart, and then our college student, well, he's trying to replace a doorknob with an electrical Yale lock, and they're all doing a phenomenal job and having a good time doing it.
Getting the kids away from the TV and actually doing something and creating something and learning a new skill, that is so vital, especially during these times when we're so sedentary.
Exactly. And that's why if we can give them a task for a project, even one that's maybe a little bit fearful for them, they can attack this. And when they're done, did you know that those same endorphins that are released when we exercise, that also happens when you tackle a difficult project. And so with BILT 3D interactive instructions, you can give them a tool that allows them to tackle something like replacing a faucet or even a toilet or assembling a barbecue grill. And they can do it wonderfully well and grow in the process, build skills. So yeah, it's all about mental wellness here in this time when we all have to hunker down a little bit, but that doesn't mean we have to give up. Let's make progress.
There is something also just great to know when you've accomplished something. That's exciting, and that can also really kind of provide some positive benefit to the brain. Nate, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Paige.
All right, for more information, you can check out their website, which is BILT, BILT app.com.